Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you on how to permanently disable Windows Defender if you don't have Windows 10 and above, okay? So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to click on the Start button and search for regedit, okay? So now just go ahead and click on the registry editor, okay? So now what I need you to do is to just go ahead and click on the H key local machine. Then after that, you want to click on software. Then after you've clicked on software, you want to find policies and click on it. Now click on Microsoft and find, wait, Windows Defender, okay? So click on the Windows Defender. So now as you can see here, you can see the default button. So what I need you to do is to just go ahead and right click on it. Okay, below the default button, okay? Click on new and you want to click on the word 32-bit value and you want to change the name of that folder or file, okay? So you can just go ahead and copy this. So let me just disable anti spyware. So wait lang, anti-spyware. Okay. So now once you rename this file, what I need you to do is just go ahead and double click on that and change the value data to 1. Okay. Now click on OK. So now what I need you to do is just go ahead and restart your device. Okay. So once you restart your device, but I won't do it right here so that I can just continue on showing you the steps, okay? So once you've restart your device, what I need you to do is to just go ahead and again click on the Windows button and search for Windows Security. Okay, so now you want to click on this and click, wait, okay? So let me just go ahead and check this Windows, this one. So you want to click the open Windows Security. So now what I need you to do is just go ahead and click on the virus and threat protection so you can see that at the left side of your screen. So as you can see, the Avast antivirus has no actions needed. So when you click on this, so you can keep using your current provider and have Microsoft Defender of Antivirus periodically check for threats. Okay, so you can just go ahead and turn this on if you want to enable it and turn this off if you want to disable it. Okay, so that is how you do it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one and have a great day.